Alright guys, as promised, I have a new video for you, and it is going to be reviewing this puppy. Okay, so for those of you who don't know, BoxyCharm, this lovely company, is a subscription service, and recently, I believe in September, they introduced the BoxyLuxe box? Luxe box? I think it's a BoxyLuxe box. But anyways, let's get into this. What I like about the Boxy, I keep on saying Boxy, about this bigger box is that they let you kind of like customize one item. And that was this first little product. It is the PYT mini hair straightener, and it retails for $75. I was really excited about picking this. You didn't get to customize the color on it, but you did get to customize, I think it was either a palette or the hair straightener, which I have a lot of baby hair, as you can see, that is going on, and this one is gonna be great because I can fix all this issue. So it comes in this nice little like packaging that you can keep it in, Velcro, and I got the pink one, and it's really cute. Like, it's tiny, portable. And see, it'll be perfect for his little baby hair. Just straighten it out. And it's really nice. It's very like travel friendly. Well, since my parents moved to Texas, this can come with me now. It's really nice. I really like, oh look, the detailing, the diamond detailing. Very cute. Okay, so the next product is by Spongelle. Anyways, it is a body wash infused buffer. This is what the packaging looks like. Oh! It's like a scrubber. That'd be perfect. I do have very sensitive skin and dry skin, but I'm also very much a germaphobe and neat freak, so something to like really know I'm getting in there and really cleaning it out. This will be great. It smells nice. It smells really good. It has like a flowery scent. Very nice. So the Spongelle, I think that's the company. It's the body, this thing. It retails for $20. Moving on. What do we have next in this box of goodies? It's like early Christmas. I'm really excited. Oh my god. What is that accent? Okay, next is, ooh, anti-aging. We're getting up there in the years, so this is gonna be great. This is by Elemis. It is a Pro Collagen Marine. It's a Pro Collagen Marine Cream. It's an anti-wrinkle day cream. Ooh. So this is the packaging. Let me see. This retails for $89. The description says, it's clinically proven to reduce the appearance of wrinkles. This is everything your skincare routine has been missing. It has. Wrinkles right here and like in the eyes. It's getting pretty bad. Okay, so let's open it up. Yeah. Ooh, look at that. Very nice. Looks like this. I like the packaging. Very fancy. Let's see what it looks like. Oh my god, work with me. Let's. Oh, okay. Oh, what's coming out? Ooh. Is it weird that I think this smells like my mom? Not my mom now, but like my mom in the 90s? Like, this reminds me of the 90s. I can't pinpoint the smell, but every 90s woman smelled like this because I think anti-aging was very big at the time. Especially the creams. This is what exactly it smells like. Oh, it's very soft. Ooh, very moisturizing. No wrinkles on this hand now. Yeah. I will definitely be testing this out. Let me know if you guys want a review on this. Maybe we'll do like a photo of my wrinkles on my forehead and see if it improves it. I made a mess. It's all everywhere now. Just wipe some off. Put some on this hand. Oh god. Next thing, I swear it's like a never ending, like the Barney bag. This is what I feel like this is gonna be. So it looks like, oh, I still got cream. Let's go away. It's like a purse. This is a by Crimes of Beauty. It's a wristlet, which is very cute. A portable charger. Yeah. Carry this around and be like, glam AF. Very cute. I'm not really much for big purses. I just kind of like to shove things in pockets, which that's my argument with fashion industry for females. We never have pockets. Why can't we have pockets? We like the use of pockets too. Anyways, let's open it. It's very nice. It looks like it has good storage. And ooh! It does come with a portable charger. This is great because my phone lately, the battery's just, it's not going good. It's a portable charger. It comes with a cord, which I'll have to use my own cord because I have iPhone. Look at Crimes of Beauty. Very cute. So this retails for $22. This is really cute. It's definitely something I did not expect in a makeup subscription box, which is awesome. This is really good. Highly, highly love. Okay, next thing. Okay. This is, I think, oh, it is by Wonder Beauty. And it's a blush and highlighter palette. So this retails for $26. Ooh, nice. These are the colors. For you guys to see. Very shimmery. Let's do a little swatch for you guys. 3 fingers go down. Definitely they are on the lighter side. You can see that. Very subtle. Which for me, I like more natural looks, I guess. So this would work great for me. But I would say if you like more of a pop with your highlight or your blush, not so great for you. Next, that's a box. Next we have cushion. Next is a shimmery lip paint by Tarte. So this is the packaging. Let's open it up. Ooh. That is fancy. Look at that shimmer. This will be great for New Year's. Like if you're going to a party, New Year's, you gotta look very I don't know, pop, very flashy. Do be a disco ball. That's what you have to be, in my opinion. So this retails for $20. Let me do a swatch. Whoa. It's like clear lip gloss basically with just glitter in it. I thought maybe it would have the color, but no. So this you could probably you can put with any lipstick. See the shimmer? You can see it a little bit. I can put it in my lipstick right now. Let's see how this works. I'm using the camera to see. So hopefully this doesn't end badly. Oh, I like it. It's because sometimes with glosses it's just a little too glossy for me. This, I really do like it. I will say it's kind of sticky. I rarely ever wear glosses, so that's usually how glosses are. They're sticky, and that's why I don't wear them. But this is very nice. If you don't mind glosses, adds a very nice little pop to your lips. Oh! This is a Grande mascara with lash boosting formula, and this retails for $25. Let me look at the brush because I'm very picky on the brushes. Oh yes, that's pretty good. Nice little blush. I forgot which one they sent. Remember it was a Tarte mascara. I did not like the brush. It was just sometimes they're too big or too skinny, or if they're curved. I don't like. Some people are like, oh yeah, I like the curved brush, and I'm like, it doesn't work for me. I just get it everywhere. The next thing. Ooh! So this product retails for $65 and it's made by Luxie and it is a brush set. Look at that! Freaking awesome! Which I already have a bunch of brushes, but you can never have too many brushes. Ooh, I like the packaging. I might just keep it in here because my container with my brushes is pretty full. Only complaint, it smells kind of like paint. Supposed to smell like that? It's fine. Okay, it's fine. Other than the complaint, it looks really nice. It has a spoolie, which I need. I think I only have one. Ooh, ooh, ooh! Flathead. Is this a blush brush? I actually don't think I have a good blush brush right now. It feels very soft. Very nice. Eyeshadow brush. Blending brush. Ooh, I like how fluffy this is. Look at that. That'd be really good. What is this? Come on. Ooh, a highlighter brush. See, I only have the fan highlighter brush, but don't have one of these. Look at that. That'll be really good. I like this. A precision face brush. Look at that. I do have a couple Luxie brushes that I really love. That's one thing I do love about BoxyCharm is the brushes are usually really soft. And with each order, you usually get a brush. I don't think I've ever gotten an order that doesn't have a brush. So this is a lip brush. Look at that. Cute. I do like the rose gold. I do have a thing for rose gold lately. Very cute. On to the last product in this box. It is a violet Voss. It is the Pro Eyeshadow. And this retails for $45. If I could get it out of the box and we could see it, that'd be fantastic. All right, so this is what it looks like. Oh, look at it. It makes like a rainbow. In person, it's just like a purpley color. But on camera, with the lights, so you can see my lights, it's a rainbow color. So, moment of truth. Let's reveal the palette. Oh, ooh, look at those colors. Very nice. And look at the shimmer. That's very pretty. Okay, let's pick a color. Well, you all know, red is my favorite color. Swipe. You see those colors? They're great. Okay, so I did Wine and Dine, Toffee, and Bat My Eye. You can see the colors. I'm like in a weird angle, but let's work with it. Really pretty. I'm very happy with this palette. Definitely gonna be excited. Wow, that is orange. I just saw that. Okay guys, so that is the video for today. I hope you guys liked it. I'll post the link down below if you want to go subscribe to BoxyCharm. This is not a paid video or anything or an ad, just is something I pay for myself and I really enjoy their products, and I think it's a great deal. So if you like it, if you liked any of these products, I really would suggest subscribing to BoxyCharm. I think it's a really good reasonable price and you get a lot of cool makeup and like a lot of cool extra stuff now. I got a bag and mini hair straighteners. Thank you guys for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Hello, my name's Amber, but please be sure to subscribe if I'll be posting videos once a week, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks, bye.